Well, hello there. How are you? How are you today? Oh, are you in that juicy flow? Are you in that juicy flow today? Well, if not, old T-Wizzy here. He's gonna get you into that juicy flow. Yeah. Why we gonna do that? Well, because in your juicy flow, you create more magic. You have more fun. And you feel more alive. So we're gonna get that juicy flow going today. Okay? Alright, so T-Wizzy, Pimp Extraordinaire, spiritual pimp that is. Yeah, I pimp you back to your soul. So what we're gonna do today, the message today, is gonna help you do more of that, okay? Baby. Yeah, you're gonna get back to that sexy flow today. Alright, so let's get right into that message so we can get on with our day and get that juicy flowing all the way out to the end of the day, to tomorrow too, and then pass that on to everybody else because, there ain't nothing sexier than the flow going to other people. That flow, that beautiful, juicy, magical flow. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so today's message, we're going to talk about the process, the steps, okay? The steps to creating more magic, to manifesting more magic into your life, how to get that flow going easily. So here's what we're going to do, okay? Here's what we're going to do. Step one, number one, what we're going to do is this. We're going to set the attention of the desire that we're looking for. We're going to set the intention. Oh, that juicy desire that we want, we love, and we just resonate deeply. So we're going to state what we want. You can even write it down if you wish to write it down. You can say, I want that juicy flow, for example. But whatever it is, write it down. Then what T-Wizzy want you to do is this. Number two is to close your eyes and envision that desire happening. What? I can't talk. Shit. Here it is. You close your eyes and you envision. You envision your desire, your manifestation. You vision it as already happening. Breathe it in. Yeah, breathing in. Okay. Let's move on to the next step in the process of creating more magic. Feeling more alive and having more sexy, beautiful fun. Okay, here it is, number 3. Feel as if you have it already. So when you are putting that beautiful, sexy image in your head of you having that desire, feel what it feels like to have it, okay? Feel what it feels like to have it already. That's what you do. Feel it in every cell of your body. Woo! Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Number 4, consider it done. Consider it being delivered by the universe. Saying, it is done. It is finished. Yeah, my hat was about to fall off my head. I can't do that. I gotta have that on. So I'm gonna make sure that beautiful thing staying on. Know that the universe is going to deliver it. Believe, trust that the universe is going to deliver that, okay? Next step in the process, let it go. Let it go. Have no attachment to it. Just let it go and let it be and go on with your day. Get that strut, that juicy strut going, okay? Get it going. And just forget about it, knowing that the universe is going to deliver that to you, right? And when you let it go, watch the beautiful magic. Watch the beautiful magic just show up, manifest into your reality. Now, just so you know, some things will show up very quickly, in minutes, in moments and sometimes hours. Other times, it'll show up in days, in a couple weeks. And other times, it may take a little bit more to show up in your life. Why do you say that? Why? It's because it's your resistance. You're in resistance. The more resistance, the more blockage you have, the longer it takes to show up. All right. So, I want you to get into that juicy flow, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and be done here. But I just want you to know the process to creating more magic in your life, to have that flow into your life, that beauty, that magic flowing so you can have more fun, so you can feel more alive and get excited about what you can create, because you are the creator of your universe, your reality, right? So, take those steps. And old T-Wizzy wants to hear from you. He wants to know how it's going in your life as you take those steps and you create that magic and manifest your desires. All right, I'll talk to you soon. See you next time. And make sure you'll keep that juicy flow going. I'll see you soon.